Hey guys, I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're not making a box. I've been on YouTube for 1 year now, so this is a 1 year review on my YouTube channel. So let's get into it. I'll go over the figures later on in the video. Back over how I came to be on YouTube. Back in about 2019 when COVID hit, I decided I was going to fit my workshop out. I already had the saw and a couple other little machines, but I said no, I took everything out, put a roof in, and I just totally fitted everything out the way that I want it. Bit messy as you see, but that's how I am. And I wrote a book. In my spare time, I wrote a book on boxes. 70 boxes for the beginner intermediate woodworker. You can get it on Amazon and at Carbotech. It's still selling alright. And that got me into box making. So I made the boxes for the book. And I really enjoyed it. So after the book was all published, what am I going to do now? I'm a retired cabinet maker, so I used to make kitchens and furniture and all that sort of stuff, but I'm so over making anything heavy. I am so sick of lifting heavy bits of furniture around and making them. So that's why I make the boxes. But they're nice and they're light. And I love working with all the different timbers. I really do love it. Okay guys, so after I finished the book, I had to make a decision what I'm going to do with the workshop. As I said, I didn't want to make anything big anymore, any big furniture or kitchens. So I stuck with the boxes. But there's no point making all these boxes if you're not going to show them. I decided I was going to make a YouTube channel. Big step for me, but I'm almost 70 and I don't talk well. I'm thinking, how am I going to explain all these boxes to people? Anyway, I swallowed my pride and I just went and started one. Had no idea what I'm doing, still don't, but I'm enjoying it immensely. Over the course of the next several videos, I tried to get 1% better each time. And I think I'm doing it now. My video skills are a lot better and my editing skills are a lot better. I'm a lot more confident in front of the camera, as you see. So yeah, I'm just taking it from there. When I first started YouTube, I had no idea what it takes to get your videos looked at. I just thought, well, you put them up there and I'm going to get 1 million views. It doesn't happen like that, guys, as you know. It's a long grind. It's a long grind. Anyway, I learned that quick, that the first few videos I put up, no one looked. To devour all those people on YouTube that, that say, get 1,000 subscribers in 10 days, 4,000 watch hours, easy. It ain't easy. It ain't easy, guys. It ain't easy at all. But I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I'll go over the figures now before we talk about the rest of the YouTube channel. Okay guys, as you see, I've got about 1,640 subscribers now, which is pretty good for 1 year, I think. But a lot of them came from shorts. On my regular long form videos, I get between 150 and 300 views, which is still not too bad, I think. So it's gaining traction every week, which is good. The short form, yeah, I get between 2 and 3 subscribers every video, just about, and that's pretty good. For me, it's not about the money, it's about monetization. For me, it's about showing my boxes and giving me something to do. Which so the short form videos really help that a lot, to show my boxes off and to get subscribers and to interact with the audience. So I'll keep doing the short form. But look at the hours I've got up now. So you see the hours I've got up, I've only got about 1,056 hours up towards the 4,000 that I need for monetization. But I'm getting there slowly but surely. Another thing that surprised me on YouTube when I started my YouTube channel was the spirit of community. Some great Australian woodworkers on YouTube now. We formed a bit of a community. We have box making challenges and pallet making challenges and all different things. And we have a meet-up every now and again. There's some great people out there, especially guys like Sumo from Sumo's Project and Victor from Down Under Woodworks. Great people and supporters of your channel. And also James from Fix the Fingers up in Sydney. Great guy, great guy. Over the last year or so, I did try a couple other different things in making boxes. I made a marble rubbing machine. It was fun to make, but it didn't last long. It was sitting in my lounge room. I woke up one morning and it was just too big. I I just went there that day and I tore it all down. But that's what I'm like. I get something in my head, I make it. I've tried a couple other woodworking projects over the years. I've made some shaker doors and a table setting, a wooden table setting, and a couple other little things. But I always come back to the boxes. I really like the boxes, and people like looking at the boxes too. I think I've got about 80 boxes now, all made, and people ask me if I want to sell them. And at the moment I don't. I think later on in the year I might have an exhibition. I might have a box exhibition. As some of you know, that I'm also into art. I like my art, and I've had an art exhibition and I've won a prize or two. So I might have a box exhibition and show me boxes sometime this year. And I might sell them after that. But anyway, it's a good problem to have, and I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. So this next year on YouTube is going to be much of a muchness. So I'm going to keep making the boxes, which I really like doing. I'm running out of designs though. It's very hard to keep getting different designs, but I keep working on it. Yeah, and I think I might do some live videos too, and take questions and answers, and yeah, we'll just take it from there. I'm going to keep developing the channel as the year goes on again. So we'll see where it takes me. At the moment, as I said, I'm having a heap of fun doing it, and I'm meeting some fantastic people along the way. We can ask out of a channel like mine, and it's very rewarding and very satisfying. So we'll leave it there, guys, and we'll see what happens in the year to come. Thanks for watching, guys. And I've got to say the word, my channel pops. Ha ha.